The screw is not tight, so let's tighten it. There you go. Welcome back. Let's start the tutorial. Hope you're fine. Well, to make this screwdriver, you need some things. I'll show you what we need. Okay, you need a chargeable old selfie stick. You can find it from the market as well. Second thing, you need an 20 gear motor. That is for more important thing. Third, two-way switch is available in the market, and 20 motor is also available. Lithium-ion 3.5, 3.7 volt battery. Size would be AA or AAA. 3mm to 5mm connector. Can buy online. And one old screwdriver because we need the head from it. Okay, I use this old selfie stick. Okay, our design is simple. We'll place this charger, selfie stick charger, and this lithium-ion cell inside this pipe. And our switch should be here. Two-way, I'll show you how to connect the two-way switch. And there is a motor and gear motor. I already placed it here with the plastic tab on it, so it can't move like if we draw a screw or try it out. So this is our simple design. I'm gonna make it show you. There you go. Our plastic is here on the top. It's two screws and this motor is assembled. Now next stuff. Okay, as you can see, we placed the all in and the button place for here. We can install this button. How to do that? It's a very tricky job. How to do that? I'm gonna place a hole inside this button, and there you can see I already connected on cross one side to the another one. You can see this one here and this one is here. Here 2 points are connected, and on these 2 points we can either connect the battery or either connect the end gear motor. 2 points for end gear and 2 points for our battery. So we're gonna place it here. Before the placing, we need to install the circuit fully. And there you go. I have already connected the cross points, and now I'm gonna connect this battery with this. This is a circuit that I use from the selfie stick. Same selfie stick that we'll convert to some circuit. So this is our extra point. I'm going to show you why I'm using this one. So let's connect the terminals as we draw in the picture. As you can see, our battery is connected and these 2 points are for end gear motor that is black coated. There are 2 points inside it, so it's all about it. Now as you can see, our circuit is complete. This is our end gear motor connected with our two-way switch, and you can see it's working on both sides. We have to place inside this tube. That is the most trickiest job ever. First, we unsole the end gear motor so we can pull it inside. I draw screws inside this button, and now I can pull it up easily. Now, as you can see, both screws on left and right can be tight. We install everything, but we found that our sleeve is a little bit shorter, so we have to cut this part and reassign the process. As you can see, it's working. This part is for reverse and forward button. We install it, but now we have to cut it and install it back. So let's cut this part. Let's cut this extra part with our grinder. How to make this grinder, I'll make another video for this as well in our DIY. So first we need to cut this part. and we need to turn it. Let's turn it on and cut it. Circuit is now cut out. I have to cut this part and solder it. Circuit is all cut out. Now we will just cut the cables again and we solder them into the circuit. As you can see, we push it with the tweezer, and now we'll draw the screws back. As in the position, it would be like this one here. Okay, these are the two screws that I'm going to draw. This third screw is for center, because sometimes it's just go when you try to draw the screws. So let's assemble it. I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, finally we install solder motor. Let's place it here, and as you can see, it's working on both sides, right and left. If you turn the two-way switch on bottom, it's like left, and if we turn it on upward, it will be on. As you can see, this button, two-way switch, and this is our manual switch if you want to draw screws manually or untie them manually. So let's assemble the sleeve and motor back in. I'll be back once it's done. Okay, now we finalize it. As you can see, it's working. This one is for forward and reverse. Now we just take this sleeve up and cut few points, and also the head. Let's install the head here. Okay, finally assembled it, and as you can see, it's working. We just have to cut this place and insert the top. Head is now finally on, and these are a few screw kits that we will use here on the head. Okay, once you assemble it, just insert this tip, and now you can make it work like a screwdriver. Now we need something to screw tight. I'll show you. Okay, as you can see, the screw is not tight, so let's tighten it. There you go. And this one is done. Let me show you the design piece. Didn't cut this terminal here, we'll cut it later for reverse and forward. This one is for charging. I'll show you how it's charged. Let's place it on the charger with the same micro beep pin. As you can see, my light is red, so it's showing it's charging, and once it's blue, it will be like charged. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video very soon, how to make a grinder or something like that. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comments. See you in the next video soon. God bless us all.